Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about a sniper rifle that does not just shoot, it destroys. A weapon that was originally designed to take out enemy tanks and military equipment. But today, it has become a symbol of both fear and respect in the hearts of soldiers. This is the Barrett M82, as famous as the Kalashnikov. But its job is simple, delivering death from a distance. The story begins in 1982 in America. A man named Ronnie Barrett asked himself a simple but powerful question in his small garage. Why cannot we build a rifle powerful enough to stop a tank? At that time, only governments made anti-materiel rifles. People laughed at Ronnie. They called him crazy. But Ronnie did not stop. He kept working with metal and gunpowder until he created something that changed modern warfare forever. The Barrett M82 was born. It is a semi-automatic .50 caliber sniper rifle. And to this day, it remains one of the most dangerous shoulder-fired weapons on planet Earth. Let me pause here and ask you something. Have you ever seen a bullet so big that it looks like a small missile? Because that is exactly what the Barrett fires. Normal sniper rifles like the famous Remington 700 use 7.62 millimeters bullets, about the size of your thumb. But the Barrett M82 fires the legendary .50 BMG caliber. This round is as big as a tall coffee mug and weighs nearly 10 times more than a normal bullet. When this thing leaves the barrel, it carries more energy than a small car crashing into a wall at full speed. Do you understand the power we are talking about here? Now let us talk about range and accuracy. A normal police sniper can accurately hit a target from 800 meters. That is impressive, no doubt. But the Barrett M82 laughs at that distance. This rifle can consistently hit targets from 1,800 meters away. That is almost 2 kilometers. Imagine standing on a tall building and trying to hit a coin lying on the road from nearly 20 football fields away. That is the Barrett's playground. And when the bullet arrives, it does not just wound, it obliterates. Engine blocks, concrete walls, light armor vehicles, nothing stops this round. That is why the military does not call it a sniper rifle. They call it an anti-materiel rifle, because its job is not to kill people. Its job is to kill machines. So what makes the Barrett M82 so special compared to other heavy sniper rifles? The answer is simple: recoil management and semi-automatic fire. Normally, a rifle this powerful would break your shoulder after one shot. The recoil would be like a mule kicking you. But Ronnie Barrett designed a massive muzzle brake at the end of the barrel. This device redirects hot gas sideways and backward, reducing recoil by nearly 40%. On top of that, the barrel itself moves slightly backward inside the chassis, absorbing even more shock. The result? A soldier can fire this beast, stay on target, and fire again in less than 1 second. That is terrifying. Now imagine you are a soldier on the other side. You are hiding behind a thick brick wall, thinking you are safe. You hear a distant boom from over a mile away. 1 second later, the wall next to your head explodes like paper. You do not get shot. You get hit by a truck? That is why enemy fighters fear the Barrett M82 more than an airstrike. Because an airstrike you might hear coming, but a Barrett bullet? By the time you hear it, you are already gone. The bullet travels faster than the speed of sound. The sonic crack arrives after the impact. That is the definition of nightmare. Let me tell you a real battlefield story. During the Iraq War, a U.S. Marine sniper named Staff Sergeant Brian Creamer used the Barrett M82 to make one of the longest confirmed kills in history at that time. He hit an enemy machine gunner from 2,300 meters away, nearly 1.5 miles. Creamer later said he did not feel like a hero. He felt like an instrument of fate. Because when you look through that scope and see a human being from 2 kilometers away, you realize that distance has no emotion. But the bullet does not care about emotions. It only cares about physics. Another fascinating fact: the Barrett M82 can disable a helicopter by hitting its engine. It can puncture a fighter jet's fuel tank on the ground. Some special forces have used it to detonate unexploded bombs from a safe distance. This rifle is a precision cannon that a human being can carry. It weighs 30 pounds like a 3-year-old child. Barrett snipers are some of the most physically fit soldiers. They carry death on their backs for miles. Now compare it with normal sniper rifles. A standard sniper rifle like the M24 is precise, quiet, and surgical. But the Barrett M82 is apocalyptic. Where a normal rifle leaves a small wound, the Barrett leaves a hole you can put your fist through. Where a normal rifle needs multiple shots to stop a vehicle, the Barrett needs only one. And where normal snipers aim for the head or chest, Barrett snipers aim for whatever the enemy is hiding behind. When no wall is thick enough, you stop feeling safe anywhere. So why do soldiers both fear and respect this weapon? They fear it because on the receiving end, there is no survival. Body armor, helmets, sandbags, none of it matters. A .50 caliber bullets. Shockwave can cause fatal internal injuries even without a direct hit. But soldiers respect the Barrett because it represents ultimate precision and power combined. Holding one makes you feel like you are holding the ultimate force of pure will. It is about human engineering reaching its absolute peak. When you pull that trigger, you change the outcome of a battle in less than a heartbeat. In conclusion, the Barrett M82 is a message. Do not hide. Do not run. Because distance will not save you. It is loud, heavy, expensive, and terrifying. But for the soldier who carries it, it is the best friend they could ever ask for.